Welcome to the tourism presentation. As you can see, the tourism qualification is split into 4 units, 2 of which you study in Year 12. Unit 1 is an examined unit, and this exam is an hour and a half long. Unit 2, Worldwide Tourism Destinations, is a controlled assessment, and this is done throughout the In Unit 1, you'll be studying many aspects of the UK tourism product. We'll be looking at the development of UK tourism over the last 100 years. The UK tourism geography, that means where all the different locations are that people like to go on holiday. Sectors of the tourism industry. Different locations where people like to go on holiday, for example, countryside, city, coastal and cultural destinations. We look at how the UK is marketed nationally and globally. We look at customer demographics, destination management and also transport and infrastructure within the UK. We also look at different jobs within the UK tourism industry. In Unit 2, you will study worldwide tourism destinations. You learn about the types of destinations across the world, long-haul and short-haul destinations, different climates in different travel locations. We look at cruises, sports and activity holidays, special interest holidays and all-inclusive holidays, and the effect of them on local communities. We look at established destinations and up-and-coming destinations, and how different places appeal to different customers. We also look at the threats and challenges and future viability, and how things like COVID and terrorist attacks affect places that attract tourists. We also look at sustaining destinations and how they can be developed sustainably. We also look at different motivations for travel and the reasons some customers travel to certain destinations. The units in Year 13 are very similar to the ones we study in Year 12. They're an extension on what you've already learnt. Unit 3 is Tourism Dynamics, where we learn a bit more about different types of tourists. We look at external pressures, economic, political and cultural. We also look at environmental pressures, things like climate change is a hot topic at the moment. We look at the impact of technology, customer trends. Some locations become more fashionable at different times. We also look at changes in customer tastes, threats and challenges on future viability, and also we look at ensuring the security of tourists and how different destinations ensure that happens. The final unit you study is Unit 4, which is Planning a Tourism Service. In this unit, you choose whichever event you want and plan it. That's then put in a portfolio and is assessed as a controlled assessment in school. Thank you for listening to